sure. Bonjour, merhaba, salam. Are you from Nepal?
Yeah, sir.
Kasto ka bhai?
कस्तो छ भाइ
Kasto?
छ भाइ
Kasto cha bhai. Ramro, Ramro. Good. Ramro. What's your name? I'm from Malta. So Kiran.
Yeah, Kiran.
My friend, new friend Kiran from Nepal. Yes, I'm vlogging. You watch your YouTube?
Yeah,
I'll give you my channel.
you have been in travel Nepal?
No, not yet. So click subscribe and notifications bell. Important. All.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir. You from Nepal as well?
Yeah, I'm from.
Kamsa, bhai.
कस्तो हुनुहुन्छ
Namaste.
कस्तो हुनुहुन्छ
Kosto hunsa. Bhai is brother, right?
yeah
And Ramro, good, Ramro. Also greeting some Nepalese. Namaste, my friend. What's your name? What's your name?
My name?
Yes.
Prayas.
Prayas.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, man. Alright, friendly Nepalese staff here. Looking forward to get some food because I haven't had dinner and even I skipped lunch as well. So, and it's good vibes. Great energy, these Nepalese people. I like it. You know what? What do you recommend to eat? What do you recommend to eat here?
Nice.
No, what do you recommend? Which plate? Which type of food? Is it the fish?
Yeah.
Lassi. You have lassi?
Not have a lassi.
You don't know?
Not have a lassi, but yeah. Maybe I think here have tandoori naan and
What's the name?
tandoori naan and chicken.
Tandoori naan and chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what you recommend. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna go for that. Do you have fish? Like something with fish? You know, curry with fish?
Yeah, maybe not have curry fish, chicken curry. Maybe have chicken curry.
Chicken curry. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. You have something with fish? Fish. Like a curry with fish. Yes.
फिस करी
Which one? Which one?
भन्छ होइन फिस करी दिनु त
With rice, you know.
भन्छ ल फिस करी दिनु फिस करी कहाँ फिस करी कहाँ
There. Okay, Ramro. Good. See my Nepalese, I'm practicing my Nepalese. What's your name? What's your name? Bim. Okay, his name is Bim. Thank you. Namaste. Okay, so I'm gonna go for the curry. Namaste, bye. Fish curry and lassi plain.
Fish curry with rice and naan.
Yeah, fish curry. No, with rice.
And then one plain lassi.
Plain lassi, yes sir.
16 euros.
Namaste. Thank you. Alright. Now I'm trying just to find let's see. Okay, so at the Everest here, Sultanbet, I got the fish curry with rice and plain lassi, typical drink, 16 euro. Right. Here we go, chef. This one? No, okay. This is the fish. Fish curry, right? No, fish. It's okay.
Yeah, no.
That's the fish. Fish curry, yes sir. Thank you, namaste. What do you do next to?